In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jumpstart your creativity using Microsoft's AI tool, Copilot, whether you're working in Word or OneNote. Imagine having a little assistant right at your fingertips, ready to help you break through that writer's block or guide you as you dive into a new creative project. That's exactly what we're going to explore today. First, let's open our chosen software. Whether you've decided to go with Word or OneNote, make sure Copilot is enabled. This AI feature is designed to help you generate content, brainstorm ideas, and enhance your writing process. And to access it, you simply need to have it activated within your Office tool. Once you have Microsoft Word or OneNote open, check that Copilot is ready for action. You'll typically see the Copilot option in your toolbar or menu given your software is up to date. If you're in Word, it might be under the Home tab or in a dedicated Copilot pane, while in OneNote, it could be in a similar location, easily accessible from your main interface. Now that you're set up, it's time to get those creative juices flowing. We're going to ask Copilot for some creative writing prompts. Think about what genre or topic you're interested in. Are you leaning towards science fiction, maybe a historical drama, or perhaps a comedic story? Whatever it may be, go ahead and request those creative writing prompts from Copilot. Type your request into the prompt box for a specific topic or genre and press enter. The AI will process your request and, in moments, deliver a handful of writing prompts tailored to your chosen theme. After receiving these prompts, it's time to review and reflect on them. Take your time to read each one thoroughly and consider which aligns with your writing goals for the session. You might find yourself drawn to a prompt that immediately sparks an idea, or perhaps a combination of prompts will inspire a completely unique direction for your project. This is the beauty of using Copilot. It gives you fresh perspectives and ideas that you might not have thought of on your own. Once you've selected a prompt or prompts that appeal to you, use them as a springboard for your writing session. Begin by jotting down any initial thoughts or ideas they inspire. You might find that they help you create an outline, or maybe they simply serve as a starting sentence or paragraph. Either way, the goal is to get writing and enjoy the process of seeing where these AI-generated prompts can take you in your creative journey. And there you have it, a seamless way to use technology to support and ignite your creative endeavors. Dive in, stay curious, and let Copilot help transform your ideas into words on a page. Enjoy the writing process.